Hi everyone, welcome Bike Buzz. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Superbike that's pushing boundaries in every way. Aprilia has redefined this model for 2025, making it faster, sleeker, and even more of a track monster. In this video, we'll cover the key features, performance specs, design elements, and everything that makes the 2025 RSV4 a true standout. Starting off with the design, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 continues to showcase Aprilia's unique Italian styling, blending aggression with elegance. You'll notice sharper lines and a more aerodynamic frame. Every detail, from the LED headlamps to the refined bodywork, has been optimized for maximum airflow, reducing drag and enhancing stability at high speeds. The new carbon fiber accents add a premium touch, while also reducing weight for a more responsive feel. Aprilia has also improved rider ergonomics, making it easier to tuck in on those long, fast straights. The RSV4 now features a revised tank and seat design that offers more comfort and grip, whether you're carving corners on the track or riding on the street. Underneath all that beauty is pure power. The 2025 RSV4 comes with an updated 1099cc V4 engine that pumps out an astonishing 225 horsepower. That's right, Aprilia has managed to make this powerhouse even stronger, giving it a performance edge over previous models and many competitors. With a revamped exhaust system and engine tuning, it delivers smoother power delivery and a more thrilling ride at any RPM. And let's talk torque. This bike puts down serious torque, giving you that hard pull-out of corners that every rider craves. Whether you're in low, mid, or high RPMs, the RSV4 responds instantly, letting you push your limits with confidence. Aprilia has packed this 2025 RSV4 with top-tier electronics to keep you in complete control. It features the updated APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control Suite, which includes lean-sensitive ABS, multiple power modes, traction control, launch control, wheelie control, and even cruise control. This suite lets you customize every aspect of your ride, so whether you're on the street or the track, you can set the bike up to match your style. The 5-inch TFT display has also been upgraded with sharper graphics, improved brightness for sunlight visibility, and a more intuitive layout. Plus, Aprilia's multimedia platform allows for smartphone connectivity, enabling navigation, call handling, and media playback right from the handling is where the RSV4 truly shines. For 2025, Aprilia has fine-tuned the A-Lins SmartTech 2.0 semi-active suspension system, which adjusts in real time based on riding conditions. This means you get the perfect balance of comfort and responsiveness, whether you're braking hard, accelerating, or cornering. Paired with Brembo Stylema brakes, the 2025 RSV4 offers unmatched stopping power, with high feedback for precise control. Aprilia has also kept the weight down with forged aluminum wheels, making handling feel light and agile. This is a bike that doesn't just excel on straightaways but feels like an extension of your body in the twisties. So, what makes the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 stand out? It's a combination of Italian craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and raw power. Aprilia has managed to deliver an incredibly high-performance machine that's as comfortable on the track as it is on the open road. This bike is engineered for riders who crave speed and precision but also appreciate the finer details, from the refined design to the advanced electronics. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 is not just a motorcycle, it's an experience. It's the perfect blend of style, power, and innovation, designed for those who demand the very best. So, if you're ready to feel the rush of 225 horsepower beneath you, with the assurance of cutting-edge control systems and Italian elegance, the RSV4 is waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest bikes. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the 2025 Aprilia RSV4? Would you take this beast for a ride? See you in the next video.